Hello students, now we will see the second problem of assignment and try to solve it using Hungarian method. This is second problem. To solve the assignment problem so that the processing time will be minimum. These are the main 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and jobs A, B, C, D, E. Now our objective is to allocate jobs to the mains so that the processing time will be minimum. Now the step 1 is, first of all, see whether the problem is balanced or unbalanced. This problem is balanced because there are 5 columns and 5 rows, 5 by 5. It's a balanced problem. Go for second step, it's known as row reduction. Identify the smallest row element. In first row you can see 15, second row 12, third row 21, fourth row 17 and fifth row 16. Just subtract the smallest elements from the rows, like this: 20 minus 15, 15 minus 15, 18 minus 15, 20 minus 15, 25 minus 15, like this. You will get this kind of rows: 18 minus 12, 20 minus 12, 12 minus 12, 14 minus 12 and 15 minus 12, like this. You will get this matrix after row reduction. Now the third step, go for column reduction. Here identify the smallest element in columns. First column 0, second column 0, third column is 0, fourth column smallest is 2, fifth column smallest is 3. So that just subtract the smallest element from the corresponding column element, like this: 5 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 0 minus 0, and draw the matrix after column reduction, like this: 10 minus 3, like this, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 3, like this. You will get this matrix after column reduction. Now this matrix has to be solved for optimality. That is our second stage, to find whether this is optimum or not. Now after getting this matrix, allocation has to be made, so that just remember this step is very important. Check the first row, yes, and see whether one is single 0 is there, only 1 0. Yes, 1 0 is there. Make a square mark and draw a vertical line passing through that 0. Check the second row, yes, more than 1 0, just keep it. Third row, yes, 1 0 is there, so that put a square mark on it and draw a vertical line. Very good. See the fourth row, yes, 1 0 is there, put a square and draw vertical line. Fifth row, yes, 1 0 is there, only single 0, draw a square and put a vertical line on it. Now see that all the zeros are covered or not. Yes, 1 0 is there, so that go for column scanning. First, second, third column are already covered, so that go for fourth column, this one. Put a square mark and draw a horizontal line passing through that square. Yes, now all the zeros are covered. See how many lines are there: 1 2 3 4 5. 5 lines is equal to how many rows? 5 rows. Yes, optimum. This solution is optimum. Optimality is reached. Now go for the allocation. Jobs, main and time, like this. Job A is allocated to second main, like this. B is allocated to the fourth person, C to the first person, D to the fifth person, and E to the third person, like this. Just put the corresponding time from the original cost matrix, like this. A2, we will see A2 here. A2, yes, 15, correct. B 14, C 21, D 20, and E 16, like this. And just make a summation of it, and you will see 86 hours is the total time. This is the final answer.